Thinking about buying the Luxarise Moringa patch for weight loss? Let's talk before you click that Buy Now button, because you might be walking right into a scam. Here's the deal. As of 2026, tons of shoppers are flagging Luxarise as a potential scam. The biggest red flag? There's zero scientific proof that these transdermal patches, especially ones with Moringa, can actually burn fat or help you lose weight. No peer-reviewed studies, no FDA approval, just bold promises and flashy ads. But it gets worse. On Trustpilot and other review sites, customers are complaining they never received their orders, or that Luxarise made it nearly impossible to get a refund after canceling. Some even got their patches in plain plastic bags with no instructions, no company info, nothing that says legit. And watch out for sneaky subscription traps. There are reports of buyers getting hit with recurring charges after clicking links that looked official but turned out to be sketchy third-party sites. So, what should you do if you're tempted by Luxarise, or if you've already ordered? Start here. Step 1. Check for FDA approval. Legit weight loss products should have it. Spoiler: Luxarise doesn't. Step 2. Verify the website. If the site has low trust scores or reviews screaming scam, back out. Step 3. Study the refund policy. If it's buried or super vague, that's a bad sign. And if you've already handed over your card, keep an eye on those bank statements. Spot anything fishy? Call your bank and dispute it ASAP. Bottom line, Moringa is healthy in your diet, but as a miracle patch? That's just wishful thinking. Don't let hype or hope trick you into a scam.